Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into New Kingston. We are on Trafalgar Road and we're going to head towards Knutsford Boulevard and take a tour on New Kingston. So basically on the right you're going to see all the buildings. That's the New Kingston area. And New Kingston is like the Wall Street of Jamaica. This is where you're going to find all the financial companies, all the banks, credit unions, basically everything to do with finance or business. This is the capital of it in Jamaica. And as you can probably imagine, it's the real estate to rent an office in this area is very expensive. It's prime real estate property here. But it's a very popular area, and you're also going to find a lot of hotels because persons that come in on business, it's easier for them to just stay in New Kingston and you could literally walk around to do whatever you need in the area. Most of the financial institutions, their head office is located in New Kingston. So Knutsford Boulevard is basically the main road in New Kingston. So we are at the intersection of Trafalgar Road and Knutsford Boulevard. Alright, so we're now turning on to Knutsford Boulevard. And now it's two lanes that turn. So that white blue car is in another separate lane. But look at the people just parking on the main road. Literally just stopped on the main road, blocking up the lane. And it's not one or two cars, it's about 12. Now there was a time if you did this you would get a ticket or you would get towed, but obviously they no longer tow cars for parking illegally here because there are like 12 of them. It's actually ridiculous, the indiscipline that occurs on the roads every day. The only place I can think of today in Jamaica that if you park illegally they tow you is the airport. Unbelievable. Okay, not even to say you get towed. There was a time you would get a ticket for parking like that and blocking up the road. Alright, so let's get back to the tour. On the left is the Victoria Mutual building. That's where their head office is. Straight ahead, that's the Sagicor Sigma building that used to be the Citibank building. Of course, on the left is Starbucks. Now here, this part of New Kingston, you're going to find a lot of restaurants, from Burger King to Island Grill to Juicy Patties, and a lot of persons work in the New Kingston area. You're also going to find some of the larger or the tallest buildings in Jamaica in New Kingston. Actually, the tallest building in Jamaica, which is the Pegasus Hotel, is located in New Kingston. And it's like a business hotel. So you're not going to find a beach. It's more for business. Alright, let's... Now, the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. So this is Knotsford Boulevard, but like if we were to turn left, we'd go on to Trinidad Terrace. Okay, you can actually see the Pegasus from here. On the left, that building with the blue sign, that's the Pegasus. And beside it, okay, we'll drive down there. Is a Courtly Hotel, and you also have what used to be straight ahead, that white building that used to be the Wyndham Hotel, but it was bought out by the Courtly Hotel, so it's now going to be a part of the Courtly. Okay, so straight ahead now, that building in the middle, that's the Courtly Hotel, and the one at the end, that's the Pegasus Hotel. And these are some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. So this is Knotsford Boulevard. We're going to turn here, and there's actually another hotel in Jamaica. We're just going to take a quick look at it and then continue the tour. Well, it's in New Kingston, so okay, so straight ahead is the Courtyard Marriott. Okay, so let's go back onto Knutsford Boulevard. Actually, we can come down here. Straight ahead is the Nht Office, and on the left is Emancipation Park. It's one of the nicest parks. Probably is the nicest park in Jamaica. Well maintained, very nice, has security, everything, and it's actually the Nht that maintains the park. Okay, it's actually the Nht entity that maintains the park. That's why it's so nicely maintained and nicely kept. Okay, now you can see a very nice view of the hotel. That's the Pegasus in front. So remember now, New Kingston is like the business capital of Jamaica, the Wall Street of Jamaica. So there are actually times when all these hotels are booked out. You can't get a room at any of these hotels. That's how busy this place is sometimes. And these hotels are large hotels. Alright, so we're back on Knutsford Boulevard now. That building straight ahead, I think it's the 4th tallest building in Jamaica. It's definitely on the list. The Pegasus is definitely the tallest, and then after the Pegasus is the Scotia Centre downtown. But I think this building is the 4th tallest building in Jamaica. If it's not the 4th, it's among the top 5 tallest buildings in Jamaica. And this hotel has been closed for quite a few years now. From before COVID hit, it has been under renovation. It's taking a very long time. Alright, we're now turning left onto Dominica Drive, and here you can see KFC, and of course again you see the persons just stop in the road, block the road. I don't know if this happens. I mean, New Kingston is a very important place in Jamaica. You would think they would try to maintain more discipline on the roads. Look at the parking. Literally, they have blocked up an entire lane just to go in and get some food. And nobody's towing the cars. Nobody's giving the cars a ticket. Unbelievable. I know back in the day, they had records driving around New Kingston. You had police officers. You had police officers giving tickets. Now look at this. The road is literally blocked up. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And look at this again. More cars. Just stop. People just stop anywhere they want. Does anybody know why they stopped using the records in New Kingston? or why they stop giving tickets to person. The police no longer drive around. I don't even, at one time it wasn't even the police doing it. It was I don't know who it was, but they had persons that would walk around and just issue tickets. The police used to do it also. But does anybody know why they stopped using the record services in New Kingston? Look at this, cars just park, and a yellow line usually means no parking. I don't get it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.